Guangdong Huanghe Hardware Manufacture Company Limited is a leading stainless steel kitchenware manufacturer based in Chaozhou, China. We specialize in producing high-quality stainless steel cookware sets, as well as a wide range of kitchen utensils. In addition to our strong OEM and ODM capabilities, we proudly operate our own consumer brand, PureCook, designed with Imido aesthetics, durability, and food-safe materials. PureCook has achieved notable success in e-commerce and enjoys strong recognition across social and new media platforms for its quality and user experience. In the U.S. market, we offer dropshipping and wholesale distribution services, enabling partners to fulfill orders efficiently, even down to single-unit shipments. Our 13,200 square meter facility is equipped with over 100 production machines, 4 automated production lines, and 3 dedicated packaging lines. We also operate ultrasonic cleaning systems and run independent polishing and painting workshops. With more than 100 skilled professionals, we ensure fully integrated manufacturing and stringent quality control at every stage. Our products serve household, gift, and commercial supermarket channels worldwide and are exported to Japan, South Korea, Europe, North America, and Southeast Asia. We are certified under ISO 9001, have passed BSCI audit, and hold the Disney FAMA certification. Our products are tested and approved by SGS and TUV and fully comply with EU food contact regulations. We're also happy to support additional certifications as needed. With years of experience in custom manufacturing, we are a trusted supplier to several Fortune 500 companies.